Well, there's a candle in the kitchen, throwing shadows down the hall, and the wind outside is whistling, his reminder that it's fall. And the weatherman be fickle, and I heard the leaves turn brown. Well, it can't be more than too long for the snow be coming down. Well, it's cold as hell in Harlem, and I got no clothes to bring, but the candle in the kitchen gonna keep me warm till spring. Now there's an old man in the corner wearing holy roller clothes, got a story about his summers and the one he's yet to know. And he tells us with a smile and a worn-out tapping shoe, 'cause he got that gospel going to the rhythm of the blues. And the cold room warms in winter with the yarn another brings, but the candle in the kitchen gonna keep me warm till spring. Now there's an old man in the corner wearing holy roller clothes, got a story about his summers and the one he's yet to know. And he tells us with a smile and a worn-out tapping shoe, 'cause he got that gospel going to the rhythm of the blues. And a cold room warms in winter with the yarn another brings, but the candle in the kitchen gonna keep me warm till spring. Oh yes, a cold room warms in winter with the yarn another brings, but the candle in the kitchen makes it hot enough to sing.